Hey guys, we are back at it. I'm at the Daniel Boone, the bunkhouse. We're gonna see what they've done. What do you think they've done? I don't know. All right, so not much has changed. It has rained. Still have not painted. There's still junk everywhere. Seriously, man. Seriously. It's better than the inside. These guys are crazy. My blink. My blink is here. So beautiful. So beautiful. All right. Let's open up. It's holy. Holy walls. We've got holy walls up in here. So, they have drilled some holes. Yeah, I don't really see much difference. The carpenter made a ugly cabinet. Let's turn this baby on. Oh shoot, the baby don't work. Nothing's working. These people are crazy.
I want to ask you a big favor. Over 50% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. Please go down there, click subscribe. That way I can bring you more awesome entertainment. Every time you hit that like button, I'm going to send you luck, like through my body, through my soul, into your spirit. You're going to get it, guys. You deserve it. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to comment what your favorite penny item is.
I don't know what we're going to do with these people. Just don't know. Oh, we got a pipe. We got a pipe up in this junk. All right. That is awesome. We got some wires. This is it. Not much has changed. Lots of fittings. Toilet. Well, this is the mess that we're in. Not much is going on up in here. They're gonna mount this microwave up yonder. And then he's gonna come back and frame around, he said. So we'll just see how that goes. This is too much and it's taking too long. It's taking forever. This is taking forever. So, first you're supposed to get the electricity and the plumbing done, and then do the walls and junk. Well, we didn't do that. We didn't do that because we had to get an appraisal done. So, oh well. It is what it is, but nobody's here. It's Tuesday. No one's here, guys. No one's here. Oh, they put the oh shoot. They put the camera up. I don't have the information. How am I gonna connect it? Where's the box? Hopefully they would not have thrown it away. Blink, 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 blink. Not sponsored. Oh, here's one. One blink box. Where? Oh, here's the second blink box right here. Oh, it's wet. Very, very gooey. It's a little gooey up in here, guys. They got screws. You need some screws, guys? Where's installation instructions? Haha, I found it. So hopefully I can just use this. Hopefully. Did you hear that? Hey guys, oh my gosh. I'm gonna switch up my content a little bit. I'm going to show you a little bit of how we run our Airbnb. Short-term rental is what we call it. So we live out in the middle of nowhere. There's government land and then there's a lake. So what we do is we accommodate for hunters, fishermen, and people like that. So there are 2 gentlemen coming. They're going to rent it for 5 days. So our prices fluctuate and their budget was $500. So that's $100 a night. And they need 2 beds. So this is what they're getting. They're getting a queen size bed, our full size bed. Normally I put another pillow there, but I was just like, I don't think we actually need it. We have our coffee station, our snack station, complimentary stuff up in there. I have one of those metal cutting board things, not metal, but wood cutting board things coming. I think it's called noodle board to go over that to make it prettier. But it hasn't got in yet. Make it look pretty. I always leave this light on in here because this one is for the fan. But does this look halfway decent? The towels are all organized. The soap is full. Turn this around. Are these pretty? I just make sure everything's pretty. Ooh. I'll lift this up to make sure people know the toilet's been cleaned. Is it clean? Shoot, did somebody use the bathroom? I don't know. There's a chance somebody came in here. Good enough. There's my pet stuff, some cleaning stuff. It's a very, very small space. Now that needs to be organized and fixed, but I can't physically touch it, and I'll just let somebody else do that. Welcome book, our feedback response, our cute little notebook where our guests write us some awesome, cute little messages. We have a bunch of junk over there. Oh shoot, I forgot the dates. Shoot, what is today? Oh, I don't know. Let me look. All right, it's the 17th. And keep in mind, I know that this will be months away before this is posted, but yeah, it'll be a while. Oh, let's move this. I just put the finishing touches. Make sure everything's clean, organized, decorated. Make sure there's no dust. Is that everything? I've already tested the TV, made sure it worked. Tested did I test the shower? Yeah, the shower. Yeah, all that's good. Everything's clean. We're good to go. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna go check on the other Airbnb. All right, guys, so we're gonna go check on the other Airbnb. The plumber's down there. My son's down there, I think. Maybe. Restricted area. We have too much work to do. We have way too much work to do. I'm scared people are gonna fall off of these stairs. They're horrible. Horrible. Okay. Awesome. I just came to say hey. Are y'all under the thing? Awesome sauce. How many guys are under there?
Hopefully enough for the job. But
Is Avery under there too?
yes, ma'am.
It's about time he gets dirty.
Not gonna lie, very nice people. Very nice people.
Oh, awesome.
Thought we got drugged, but very nice.
You got drugged.
I thought we did. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Uh-oh.
They're
I believe you.
yeah. They are enjoyers of
420.
the
Oh, I get it.
yeah.
Yeah,
And they
don't be
gave us
doing any drug tests anytime soon.
Yeah. Well, I got worried because they gave us a brownie, and I was like, I don't know how to say no.
Oh no.
Yeah. So it wasn't. Fortunately for us, it was not like.
You would have felt it.
Oh yeah.
By now, how big of the brownie it was, yeah.
I'd probably been dead. You'd probably been wondering why we made it to your driveway and we're just passed out inside the truck.
I smell some glue in there. Are y'all sniffing glue?
No, we're
Oh
using
yeah, I have
glue.
some glue on.
Whew. All right, guys, y'all have fun. I'm gonna go back to the house. All right, guys, so that is what's going on here at the Daniel Boone Bunkhouse. Wonder where my horsey is.